Hello, in this video we will review about computer and numerical control. Now we review the CNC machine concept. Computer numerical control machine tool is an automatic machine tool equipped with a program control system. The control unit of CNC machine. The machine control unit is the hardware that distinguishes the CNC from the conventional numerical control. The machine control unit consists of the following components and subsystems: 1. Control processing unit. 2. Memory. 3. Input-output interface. 4. Controls for machine tool access and spindle speed. And 5. Sequencing controls for other machine tool functions. In this figure, we see the configuration of CNC machine control unit. The central processing unit is the brain of the machine control unit. It manages the other components in the machine control unit based on software contained in the memory. The central processing unit can be divided into 3 sections: control section, arithmetic logic unit, and immediate access memory. The memory. The immediate access memory in the central processing unit is not intended for storing CNC software. A much greater storage capacity is required. As with most other computer systems, CNC memory can be divided into 2 categories: 1. Main memory and secondary memory. Main memory consists of read-only memory and random access memory device. The input-output interface provides communication between the various components of the CNC system, other computer system, and the machine operator. The operator control panel is the basic interface by which the machine operator communicates to the CNC system. Control for machine tool access and spindle speed. These are hardware components that control the position and velocity of each machine axis, as well as the rotational speed of the machine tool spindle. Depending on the type of machine tool, the spindle is used to drive either the workpiece as in turning or a rotational cutter. As a milling and drilling, spindle speed is programming parameter. Sequencing control for other machine tool functions. In addition to control of table position, feed rate, and spindle speed, several additional functions are accomplished under part program control. These auxiliary functions generally involve binary actuation, interlocks, and discrete numerical data. CNC machines are applicable where materials that are compatible, for example, wood, plastics, cardboard, and metals. One of its most common applications is CNC machine for metals. CNC machining is widely used to manufacturing components or parts that are small in size and require high precision, like gears, screws, etc. Among other applications, we have wood roller and granite cutters. This machine performs operations similar to CNC milling for metal machining, except the work materials are not metals. Many wood cutting lathes are also CNC machines. Finally, we have CNC for other metalworking process. In this case, welding machines. Both spot welding and continuous arc welding machines are available with automatic control based on CNC. Well, in your project you will see more application. This is all. Bye.